Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, Ma'am Sisna, and hello, everyone. The first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Nayara Indra Shafika, and usually you can call me Naya. And I'm a student at University of Indonesia, and my major is Hospital Administration. For today, I want to tell you about my dream company, specifically the company's profile from Ministry of Health, Republic of Indonesia. Today, I want to tell you about why was the Ministry of Health established, and the next is the leader of Ministry of Health. The third is what is the Ministry of Health, and the next is vision and mission. And the next is how big is Ministry of Health, and the last is located of Ministry of Health. The first, I want to tell you about why was the Ministry of Health established. Ministry of Health of the Republic of Indonesia was founded in 1945 to strengthen the country's focus on public health. Since then, it has acted as the main body that regulates the sector and develop healthcare facilities such as hospitals, health center, and clinic. Uh, there's efforts where especially in rural and remote areas to reduce gap in healthcare access and provide fair health services for all Indonesians. Okay, the next I want to tell you about the leader of Ministry of Health. Ministry of Health. The Ministry of Health is institution under the authority of the President is Mr. Prabowo Subianto, and the lead of Ministry of Health is Minister of Health, of course, Mr. Budi Gunadi Sadikin. And Minister of Health is assisted by Deputy Minister of Health, Mr. Dante Saxono Harbuwono, as well as several expert staff who provide advice and strategic consideration and policy making. There is four expert staff. The first is expert staff of health economics is Mr. Bayu Teja Mulyawan. And the next expert staff of health technology is Mr. Setiaji. And the third is expert staff of health law is Mr. Sundoyo. And the last is staff expert in politics and global health is Mr. Bonanza Parwira Taihitu. Taihitu. Okay, the next, I'll tell you about a company's milestone. Uh, at the 1945 until 1950, Ministry of Health formed on 19 August 1945, the day after the proclamation of independence. It's called early independence period. And at 1950 until 1965 is called Old Order Era. The Ministry of Health is initiated the concept of community health center and strengthened cooperation with the World Health Organization or WHO. And at 1969 and until 1998, it called New Order Era is massive construction of health center and organizing family planning programs. And at 1998 until the 2014 is called Reform Era, is initiating the BPJS health program and starting a regional autonomy system so that the health authority is handed over to the regional government. And at 20, 2014 until now, 2025, 25, is implemented the BPJS program as a whole, as successfully handle the COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, the next is what is the Ministry of Health? The Ministry of Health is a governmental institution operating under the direct authority of the President of the Republic of Indonesia. It has the primary mandate of formulating, implementing, and supervising national health policies and programs. Ministry of Health is focused on healthcare services, disease prevention and control, public health promotion, as well as the regulation of the medical research and facilities. Through this function, the ministry contributing to achievement of public welfare and the overall development of the nation. Okay, the next is vision and mission from Ministry of Health. The vision, to create healthy, productive, independent, and equitable individuals. And the mission, the first is to reduce maternal and infant mortality rates. The second, reduce stunting among children under 5. And the third is improve the management of the nation health insurance. Usually we call it JKN. And the last is ancient self-reliance and the utilization of domestically produced pharmaceutical and medical device. Okay, the next is how big is Ministry of Health? The government allocated a health budget of IDR 2014 I'm so sorry, 186.4 trillion in 2024, which is increased to IDR 217.3 trillion in 2025. Meanwhile, for 2026, the Ministry of Health's budget was set at IDR 114 trillion, representing an increase of around 8% compared to the previous allocation of IDR 105.6 trillion. But Ministry of Health also has a proud achievement. The Ministry of Health received the Gold Award at the ASEAN Digital Awards 2025 for its health digitalization innovation through the Sehat Indonesiaku or ASIK application in the public sector category. And the last is the headquarters of Ministry of Health is located at Prof. Dr. Sujidi Building, HR Rasuna Said Street, Block X5, South 49, Kuningan, South Jakarta, DKI Jakarta. Okay, this is my source. Okay. Thank you for your attention, and I'm sorry if I have a mistake. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.